Bird and Kip, Episode 1, A Perfect Tree. Bird lived in a perfect tree.
I love my tree,
she said.
It's in a nice, quiet park, and I can see the ocean.
One day, Bird was sleeping. Boom! Bonk!
What made that sound?
Asked Bird. Bird looked up, but she didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep. Boom! Bonk!
Ouch!
Said Bird. Bird looked up again, but she still didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep again. Crash! Bonk! Boom!
Acorns!
Cried Bird.
Where did these come from?
Bird looked up and saw a chipmunk.
Sorry,
Said the chipmunk.
Oh, that's okay.
Said Bird.
What are you doing with all these acorns? I'm moving in.
Said the chipmunk.
You're moving in?
Asked Bird.
Yes.
Said the chipmunk.
I'm moving into this hole. My name is Kip. I'm your new neighbor.
Bird and Kip, Episode 2, Bird's New Neighbor. Bird did not like having a neighbor. Kip was loud, and he dropped acorns,
I need a break.
said Bird.
I think I'll go to the beach.
Bird walked in the sand. She dipped her toes in the water. She ate a snack.
I love the beach.
She said. Just then, Bird saw something. There was a big hawk in the sky.
Oh no!
Said Bird.
That hawk will eat me!
Bird found a good place to hide. At last, the hawk was gone. Bird flew back home.
I saw a big hawk!
Said Bird.
Oh no!
Said Kip.
I don't like hawks. Where was it? It was at the beach.
Said Bird.
Will it come here?
Asked Kip.
I don't think so.
Said Bird.
This tree is a very safe place.
Bird and Kip, Episode 3, Acorn Gumbo. Bird heard something. It was coming from Kip's hole. Chop, chop, chop. Sloop. Scrape, scrape,
What are you doing, Kip?
asked Bird.
I'm making acorn gumbo.
Said Kip. Then Bird smelled something. It was something that smelled very bad.
You are going to eat that?
Asked Bird.
No.
Said Kip.
We are going to eat it. You are invited to dinner tonight. Kip, this doesn't smell good.
Said Bird.
It doesn't smell good,
Said Kip.
but it tastes great.
Just then, Bird saw something.
There's the hawk!
She cried. The big hawk was swooping toward the tree. Yuck! Something smells bad, said the hawk. The hawk turned around and flew away.
Phew.
Said Kip.
Your acorn gumbo saved us, Kip.
Said Bird.
And you're right. It does taste great.
Little fox. Little fox.
Bird and Kip, Episode 4, Kip, the race car driver.
I want to drive a car.
Said Kip.
I don't want to drive a car.
Said Bird.
Cars are too fast. Vroom, vroom.
Said Kip. Kip zoomed along the branch.
I'm a race car driver.
He said. Kip zoomed up and down the tree trunk.
I'm a fast race car driver.
He said.
And I'm going to win the big race.
Bird was watching Kip.
Be careful, Kip.
She said.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Said Kip.
You are running very fast.
Said Bird.
You mean I'm driving very fast.
Said Kip.
And you're not being very careful.
Said Bird.
Nobody is faster than me.
Said Kip. Just then, Kip tripped. He went flying into the air.
Oh no!
Cried Kip.
Oh no!
Cried Bird. Crash! Kip smashed right into Bird's nest. Bird and Kip, Episode 5, Fixing Bird's Nest.
I'm so sorry, Bird.
Said Kip.
I guess it's okay.
Said Bird.
I can fix my nest. Nope,
Said Kip.
we can fix your nest. Let's look for some new sticks.
Bird and Kip looked for new sticks. They found some in the park. They found some on the boardwalk. Then Kip found a fancy stick, and it was in a car.
Vroom!
Said Kip.
What are you doing?
Asked Bird.
I'm a race car driver.
Said Kip.
Don't be silly.
Said Bird.
You're not a race car driver. Come on, Bird.
Said Kip.
Let's go for a ride. I don't want to ride in a car.
Said Bird.
Cars go too fast. But we're just pretending.
Said Kip.
Oh, okay.
Said Bird.
Why not?
Bird climbed into the car. Suddenly, it started to move. Bird and Kip, Episode 6, The Car Ride. The car went up the track,
We're driving a car.
said Kip.
I don't think I like this.
Said Bird. The car went higher. Then Bird smiled.
Wow! Look at the ocean, Kip.
Said Bird.
And look at those buildings.
But Kip was not looking. Kip was covering his eyes.
I don't think I like this.
He said. Now the car went down fast, said Bird.
Ah!
Cried Kip. The car made sharp turns. It went up and down and up and down. It went very fast,
This is fun.
said Bird.
This is not fun.
Cried Kip. Finally, the car stopped. Kip jumped out.
That was just like flying.
Said Bird.
I'm glad you had fun, Bird.
Said Kip.
But I'm never driving a car again. Now let's go home and fix your nest.